On Friday, Jesus was crucified. He died a physical death, just as we die physical deaths. He was buried in this tomb, and it was sealed. And when he rose again from the grave, he didn't rise metaphorically. He did not rise spiritually. He did not rise in a manner that just gives us psychological assurance. Notice this, that when the women were told to look in the tomb, they weren't told to see a body that didn't have a spirit in it any longer. They were told to see a tomb that didn't have a body in it any longer. Jesus is risen from the dead. See, Jesus died on the cross because our sin has separated us from God. It is my sin that has broken that relationship. In order to make that relationship right again, I owe a price of sacrifice to reconcile that relationship. But God is perfectly holy and righteous, and I am not. There is nothing I can do to pay the price to make that relationship right again. But God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that anyone who believes in Jesus Christ will not die, but will have everlasting life.